Hello everyone, this is Prashant. I welcome you all. So today we are going to do the next chapter. So it is a loop again. Last time we discussed the while loop, and due to the shortage of time, I covered only the basic of while loop. So today we are going to discuss the next of while loop. So let's start with the revision. So first of all, a loop, it is a sequence of a condition, certain condition, unless we will not fulfill the condition, it will keep go on. After that, we discussed that we have two type of loop. First is for loop and second one is while loop. And I think we discussed the while loop. So while loop syntax is here: start or initialization we can call it. After that we have the while loop with the condition and the colon. We have to give a indent space, then body of the loop, and then increment or decrement operators. So you can use any one of them, increment or decrement. After I think we created a one program already. So it was the program I equals to 1, I is less than to 5. It is going to print 5 times hello friend. And the increment operator you can use any of the way, the both are given here. So here with the revision I am going to tell you, when one thing is pretty you must clear that when the condition here, the condition is true, here when the condition is true, then it will come inside the loop, otherwise it will not come inside the loop. So when I equals to 1, put the value of I here, check the value. 1 is less than equals to 5, yes, absolutely, condition is true, it will come inside and it will print hello friend. I am writing only HF. Okay, so again it will increment the value. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 and 2 will go here. Okay, so now check the condition, I becomes 2. So 2, it will write down, check the condition is true, it will write down hello friend. Now next time it will increment the value, 2 plus 1 3. When it becomes 3, so it becomes 3, that means condition is true, hello friend. It will write down hello friend. Okay, again it will check the condition, 3 plus 1 4, repeat the condition 4 times, condition is true. Whenever you are going to increment the value, after that when you are going to put the value, put your value here in the place of I, and you will get the condition true or false. Hello friend, 5th time, hello friend. Okay, now when you run, when it will print the 5 times, it will increase the value, 5 plus 1 6. Now reach 6 will reach here. Now check the condition, 6 is less than or equals to, no, it is greater than. So the condition becomes false, then it will come outside the program, it will not print any value. So my dear friends, I think it is pretty clear to all of you. So move to the next topic, which is while loop in Python with nested of loop. Okay, so I welcome you all on my channel. So this is the name of my channel, Smart Study Tactics. So let's begin with the while loop syntax. So here is the while loop syntax: while condition, then increment or decrement, while condition, increment or decrement. This one is the outer loop, it is outer. Okay, and this one is the inner loop. I think last time we have discussed the if else. So in that I think I told you about that if, and then if then next inside the if. So it was the nested of if. So here is the same thing, outside, inside. So when it will execute with the outside loop, then come to the inside loop. When this condition will fulfill, then it will jump to the outside loop. Again it will check the condition. When this condition will fulfill, it will jump to the outside loop. So it will go on. Okay, so let's see by the help of next program. Oh, okay. Here is the example of nested of loop. So I tried everything. I created a program with the screenshots with the output on the screen. You will see here, and you prefer actually the program running and taking the output. It is taking time, and nowadays I am having less of data, so you can prefer, you can see here and you can run the program. You can pause the video and you can run the program yourself, so you will learn it. So I equals to 5 while I is less than 5, it will print hello. Now this is the outside loop. Okay, this is the outside loop, and this is called inside loop. Are you getting me? This is out, this is in. So like this it will work. So this is the example. Now I made a program on that, and this is the output of this program. I equals to 1. Sorry. Now if we write down the program like this, the output will be this way. I equals to 1, y I is less than to 5, print hello, 1, 2, print friend, increment, increment, and this new line. So let's see what it will do exactly. So now I think just now I showed you how to print the hello friend with the help of while loop. So it is this portion will do the same thing. This portion will do the same thing. So I equals to 1, check the condition. Condition is true. It will print one time hello. Then it will come inside. J equals to 1. Check the condition. Yes, condition is true. Print friend. Print friend. Okay. Now increment of j. Repeat the condition. 2. 2 equals to 2. Yes, absolutely. Print 2. Friend. Okay. Then it will come to this line. It will increase the value of I. I becomes 2. Now I will reach here. I becomes 2. Then it will print again hello. 2. 2 position by hello. Okay. Then it will repeat the condition. Hello friend friend. This one. Same condition for 2. Okay. So you can see here it is the out. This one is out, and these both are in. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay, are you getting me? So this it will work like this. Next, make a program with the help of while loop. Output should be in this way. So only you have to print the output in this way, but make it sure you pause this video. No need to go, because next slide is the answer of this. So you pause the video, do yourself, then go to the next. Okay. Oh, here is the answer of this. I think you have done already. So here is the answer of this question. So you have to put only and here, and keywords, bring the last which is coming at the bottom in front of the previous beginning of the line, in front of the last line. Okay, so like that you can go. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the else and the break within while loop. So why we are going to use while loop repeatedly? Okay, while we are going to use the while loop repeatedly, I think we discussed the else in the if. So when the condition is true in if, then we have to go to the inside the if. Otherwise, if the condition is not true, we jump to the else. Similarly, as I told you, when the condition is true in while loop, it will work, come inside the loop. If the condition is not true, it will jump to the else. So similar it will do. Okay, so let's see. One thing is also there, the break. If a break statement executes in the first program block and terminates the loop, then the else clause does not execute. I will show you this with the help of example. So let's see. First of all, we are going to discuss the use of else. So what it will do? It is actually it is running from 0 to 10. 10 means 9, because it is starting from 0. Here a value is 10. 10 less than 10 means 9. It is working to 0 to 9. So here it is going to calculate the number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, and what this all the work is going to done by this s. Okay, this s is going to do all the work. Okay, and if it will not fulfill the condition, means it will out of this. So what it will do, it will print the answer. Actually, if I am going to print the answer here, if I'm going to write down the print answer here, so it will print, but what it will do, it will print the number of times. Answer of 9 integer is 1, answer of 9 integer is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3, like that it will print. So that's why I put else here, so that at the end when this condition becomes false, it will jump to this area and it will print the line with the help of answer. Okay, so let you please pause the program, pause the video and try yourself. Next, use of break. Now here you can see the conditions, same program here, but now I put a condition: if x equals to 5, break. As soon as it will get x become 5. Okay, because x value is incrementing 1, 2, 3, 4, so like that it will go on. When it will reach 5, then it will say break. When it will get the break point, it will jump to this line and it will print the sum of 5 numbers is this. Okay, the sum of 5 numbers, here is the answer output, you will get this one. Okay, so what it will do exactly, it will first time it will run, check the condition, so now what is the value of s? So what is the value of s? First it is 0 plus the value of x is 1, it becomes 1. Okay, again it will increment the program, increment the value of x, so x becomes 2. So what will happen here? The value of s is 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. Okay, so like that it will keep go on and it will reach up to the 5. As soon as it will get x becomes 5, it will break the condition and will reach to the last point. It will not jump to the else, because the condition is fulfilled. Here the condition is fulfilled, so that's why it will not jump to the else. Else will run only when the condition becomes false. Okay, so let's continue the next. Now we use okay, so now here is the end of the while loop. So you can make the program on the while loop, and here we are going to continue for the for loop.